Have you ever found yourself gripping the railing a little tighter as you walk down the stairs? Or felt a sudden moment of uncertainty when standing up from your favorite armchair? If so, you are far from alone. It's a simple, often unspoken fact of aging. After we pass the age of 40, our bodies begin to gradually lose muscle mass, up to 8% per decade. This process, which quietly accelerates after age 60, can slowly erode the very foundation of our independence, the strength in our legs. But what if the power to change this didn't lie in a complicated exercise routine or a cabinet full of supplements, but right there on your plate, in the everyday foods you can easily enjoy? The path to reclaiming strong, steady legs, capable of carrying you with confidence and vitality well into your 90s, is paved with delicious, nutritious choices. In this video, we'll guide you through incredible everyday foods that, when eaten consistently, can become your most powerful allies in the quest for stronger, more reliable legs for many years to come. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and share it with your friends or health groups on social media. Doing so helps spread valuable information and supports the growth of our channel. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Now, let's move on to the first food featured in this video. When we think about building strength, especially in something as fundamental as our leg muscles, we must start with the most basic building blocks. And there is perhaps no more perfect a starting point than the humble, incredible egg. For generations, eggs have been a breakfast table staple, but their role in preserving and enhancing our muscle health as we age cannot be overstated. The secret to their power lies in their protein content, which is considered a complete and high-quality protein. This means that the protein found in eggs contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that our bodies desperately need, but are completely unable to produce on their own. These amino acids act like a dedicated construction crew, working around the clock to repair the microscopic tears that naturally occur in our muscle fibers every time we use them. Whether that is from taking a brisk walk around the neighborhood, climbing a flight of stairs, or simply standing up from a seated position. This process of repair is what ultimately makes our muscles stronger and more resilient, ready to meet the next challenge we present them with. The wonderful thing about eggs is their remarkable biological efficiency. Because the protein they offer is so complete and so easily used by the body, it goes directly to work on the task of muscle maintenance and repair without placing a heavy burden on your digestive system. This is particularly important for older adults whose digestive efficiency may not be what it once was. You are providing your body with a premium fuel that it can utilize with minimal effort, ensuring that the valuable nutrients are directed exactly where they are needed most. Furthermore, the protein in eggs is incredibly versatile in its function. It does not only serve to repair existing muscle tissue, but is also fundamental in preventing the muscle loss that can so often accompany the aging process. By consistently supplying your body with this high-quality protein, you are sending a clear and continuous signal that your muscle mass is needed and should be preserved, effectively helping to slow down or even counteract that natural decline that begins in our later years. Beyond their impressive protein profile, eggs also offer a host of other nutrients that play a supportive role in overall leg health and function. They are a natural source of vitamin D, a nutrient that is crucial for the absorption of calcium and, by extension, for maintaining strong and healthy bones. It is important to remember that powerful legs require a sturdy skeletal frame to anchor to, and without strong bones, even the most robust muscles can be compromised. Eggs also contain healthy fats that provide a sustained source of energy ensuring that you have the stamina to go about your daily activities without feeling prematurely fatigued. The presence of B vitamins in eggs, particularly vitamin B12, aids in nerve health and function, which is essential for the complex communication between your brain and your leg muscles. Every step you take is a command sent from your brain down your spinal cord, through your nerves, and into the muscles of your legs. Keeping this communication pathway healthy is just as important as keeping the muscles themselves strong. If eggs are the fundamental building blocks for muscle repair, then Greek yogurt is the brilliant double-action architect that ensures both the muscles and the bones they rely upon are maintained in perfect harmony. This thick, creamy, and tangy dairy product has earned its stellar reputation in the world of nutrition. For very good reason, offering a powerful on-two punch that is almost uniquely beneficial for anyone seeking to preserve their strength and mobility as they age. The first and most prominent benefit of Greek yogurt is its exceptionally high protein content, which is substantially greater than that of regular yogurt due to the special straining process it undergoes. This process removes much of the liquid whey, resulting in a more concentrated final product that is packed with the very proteins your muscles crave for their ongoing repair and maintenance. This makes every spoonful of Greek yogurt a proactive step toward fortifying your leg muscles against the wear and tear of daily life. The magic of Greek yogurt, however, does not stop at its protein. Its second, equally critical role is as a phenomenal source of calcium, the primary mineral responsible for building and maintaining strong, dense bones. This is where the concept of a double-action food truly comes to life. Imagine your legs as a sophisticated and powerful marionette. Your muscles are the strings that provide the force for movement, but your bones are the solid wooden frame that gives the entire structure its shape and stability. You can have the strongest strings in the world, but if the frame is weak or brittle, the whole system is compromised. By regularly consuming Greek yogurt, you are simultaneously strengthening both the strings and the frame. You are providing the raw materials for muscle protein synthesis while also flooding your system with the calcium necessary to keep your bones, particularly the large weight-bearing bones of your hips and legs, dense and resistant to fractures. This combination is especially potent when considering the challenge of maintaining balance and preventing falls. Strong leg muscles give you the power to correct a stumble, while strong bones ensure that if a fall does occur, the consequences are far less likely to be catastrophic. A single 7-ounce serving of plain low-fat Greek yogurt delivers a formidable 1-2 punch of approximately 20 grams of protein for muscle and nearly 20% of your daily calcium needs for bone integrity. This synergistic effect makes it an unparalleled food for foundational strength. Furthermore, many varieties of Greek yogurt contain live and active cultures, which are beneficial probiotics that support a healthy gut. While this may seem unrelated to leg strength at first glance, a healthy gut is integral to the efficient absorption of all the other nutrients you consume, including the protein and calcium from the yogurt itself and from the other healthy foods on your plate. When we envision strong legs, we often picture well-defined muscles, but we must not overlook the critical element that brings those muscles to life: sustained energy. What is the use of having a powerful engine if you do not have the fuel to make it run? This is the indispensable role that lentils play in your quest for enduring leg strength. Lentils, these small, lens-shaped legumes, are nutritional powerhouses that provide a slow-burning, long-lasting source of energy that is essential for powering you through your daily activities, from your morning walk to your afternoon errands. They achieve this through their unique composition of complex carbohydrates and a very high amount of dietary fiber, which work in tandem to provide a steady and reliable release of glucose into your bloodstream. This slow release mechanism is vital because it prevents the sharp spikes and subsequent crashes in blood sugar that are associated with eating refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. A blood sugar crash can leave you feeling fatigued, sluggish, and mentally foggy, sapping your motivation and your physical capacity for movement. When your energy levels plummet, the first thing to suffer is often your physical activity. You are far more likely to cut your walk short or choose the elevator over the stairs. Lentils help you avoid this entire cycle. The sustained energy they provide ensures that your leg muscles have a constant supply of fuel, allowing you to maintain your activity levels for longer periods without hitting a wall of fatigue. This consistent activity is, in itself, a primary driver of muscle strength and cardiovascular health. Beyond their role as a premier energy source, lentils also make a significant contribution to your daily protein intake, which is a wonderful bonus for muscle maintenance. A single cup of cooked lentils provides an impressive 18 grams of plant-based protein. While this protein is not complete in the same way that egg or whey protein is, meaning it does not contain all 9 essential amino acids in optimal proportions, this is easily remedied by eating a varied diet throughout the day. Combining lentils with a whole grain like brown rice, or whole wheat bread for instance, creates a complete protein profile, making them a fantastic cornerstone of a muscle-building diet, especially for those who are reducing their meat consumption. This combination of long-lasting energy and solid protein makes lentils a truly formidable food for supporting an active lifestyle. In the journey to preserve leg strength, we must consider not only how to build muscle, but also how to protect it from the natural wear and tear that occurs over time. This is where a small handful of almonds each day can make a surprisingly large impact. Almonds are often celebrated for their healthy fats and protein, and rightfully so. They provide a satisfying combination of plant-based protein, heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, and fiber, which together offer sustained energy and help to keep hunger at bay. However, their most unique contribution to muscle health, particularly for an aging body, comes from their exceptionally high concentration of vitamin E. This nutrient is a potent antioxidant, and its role is to serve as a protective shield for your body's cells, including the delicate cells that make up your muscle tissue. As we go about our daily lives, our bodies naturally generate compounds called free radicals as a byproduct of normal metabolism, and from exposure to environmental stressors. These free radicals can cause oxidative damage to our cells, akin to how oxygen causes metal to rust. This process of oxidative stress is a key contributor to the aging process and the degeneration of tissues, including muscle tissue. The vitamin E in almonds acts as a sacrificial lamb, neutralizing these free radicals before they can cause significant harm to your muscle cells. By protecting the integrity of the cell membranes, vitamin E helps to preserve muscle function and slow down the rate of muscle decline. It is a defensive strategy, safeguarding the strength you work so hard to build through your diet and activities. The combination of nutrients in almonds creates a powerful synergistic effect. The protein and healthy fats provide the building blocks and energy for muscle maintenance, while the vitamin E protects the investment. Furthermore, almonds are a good source of magnesium, the same crucial mineral found in spinach that is essential for proper muscle relaxation and nerve function. This means that by snacking on almonds, you are not only protecting your muscles from long-term damage, but also supporting their immediate ability to function smoothly and without cramping. They are a compact, nutrient-dense package that addresses multiple facets of muscle health simultaneously. A modest serving of about 23 almonds, a small handful, provides a substantial 7 grams of plant-based protein, a good dose of healthy fats for energy, and a remarkable 50% of your daily vitamin E requirement. The quest for stronger legs is built on a foundation of powerful muscles, well-lubricated joints, and sustained energy. However, there is another, more subtle element that is absolutely critical for mobility and independence, impeccable balance, and stability. This is the domain of the vibrant and delicious sweet potato, a root vegetable whose most significant contribution to leg strength comes from its staggering potassium content. While bananas often get the spotlight for this mineral, a single medium sweet potato actually delivers more than 500 milligrams of potassium, outperforming a medium-sized banana and establishing itself as a true potassium powerhouse. This mineral is not stored in the body for long periods, which is why a consistent daily intake from foods like sweet potatoes is so vitally important. Potassium's primary role in muscle function is as an electrolyte, working in a delicate balance with sodium to regulate fluid levels within and around your cells, and to manage the electrical signals that control your nerve impulses and muscle contractions. This might sound like a complex biological process, but its practical implication is straightforward. Potassium is essential for maintaining your balance. Every time you take a step, shift your weight from one foot to the other, or quickly correct your posture after a slight misstep, you are relying on a rapid and precise series of nerve signals and muscle contractions in your legs and core. Adequate potassium ensures that these signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently, allowing your muscles to respond instantly to the commands from your brain. A deficiency can lead to slower reaction times, muscle weakness, and a feeling of unsteadiness, all of which significantly increase your risk of a dangerous fall. Beyond its pivotal role in balance, the potassium in sweet potatoes also works in concert with the magnesium from foods like spinach and almonds to prevent the occurrence of painful muscle cramps. When the fluid and electrolyte balance in your body is optimal, your muscles are far less likely to contract involuntarily and seize up. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are a magnificent source of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down slowly into glucose, providing that same steady, long-lasting energy that we valued in lentils, fueling your daily activities and exercise sessions that are necessary to keep your leg muscles engaged and strong. They are also packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for good vision. Clear vision is, itself, a key component of good balance, as it allows you to see and avoid potential tripping hazards in your path. Building and maintaining strong leg strength after 60 isn't a matter of complex science. It's about consistent, smart nutrition. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you provide your body with the essential tools it needs. High-quality protein to rebuild muscle fibers, vital minerals to support smooth function and balance, and healthy fats to cushion and protect your joints. This isn't about following a restrictive diet. It's about empowering your body with the right building blocks for resilience and energy. Remember, the goal is lasting independence and vitality. Every choice you make at the dinner plate is a direct investment in your ability to walk confidently, rise from a chair with ease, and enjoy an active lifestyle for years to come. With research showing that strong legs can reduce the risk of falls by up to 40%, these dietary steps are among the most impactful actions you can take for your long-term well-being